Is there anybody here that knows anything that will make the church not to wed this couple?
Yes, Pastor. Let her go and look for the man that put that bastard in her womb.
I just feel like taking my life.
There is nothing that will make me not to proceed with the wedding.
There is no way you are going to get married to someone who has been defiled by a criminal.
Are you trying to say that my woman that I'll be getting married to in a few days from now has been defiled?
Go to a lawyer and file a suit against him.
How dare you?
I just want to talk to my wife.
You can see she doesn't want to talk to you, so please get lost.
The next time you try this rubbish again, I'll sue you for assault.
I will not marry you. That is never going to be possible to have anything to do with you. If I ever see you in this house again, if I see you here, I will kill you.
I hate you so much.
I don't even know why you keep following me up and down as if I'm a child. Please allow me to live my life.
Talk to me. Forget this. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Please, I beg you, do whatever it takes to make sure she's fine.
Tell your son to stay away from my daughter. Haven't you put on enough harm already?
That you were jilted by one man, it doesn't mean the whole world has jilted you.
I will make sure I get him arrested. I will do anything to get him arrested. I'm not doing this to my sister.
Forget about them. Do not allow your past experience weaken your soul.
So much pain, so much tears.
Somebody help! Somebody help!
I feel like dying. So much shame, so much blame.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.